feel natin.
Yung feel, no?
Dito sa labas, pero sa loob iba naman. Yung sa loob lang parang St. Regis. Parang pinagsama siyang St. Regis.
Talaga ba?
Ito mismo, ipakita mo to.
Ayan.
Yeah. Ewan, sir, punta tayo sa Boracay, Shangri-La. Ito, ganito rin yung parang ganito yung
Ayan.
ng receiving area nila.
Ay.
Siguro.
How many degrees now? 50
It's more than 50 now. You know that?
No? 45 like that.
In here, because it's a higher place, not not really much. In Dubai now, it's Al Ain, it's 60. Yeah, going 60 now, which is good. Nice. Very high place now.
And the hotel is busy, no? Because we were waiting for the room. Even though it's summer. What time the pool open until? 9 p.m.? Oh, wow.
9 in the morning till 7 o'clock in the evening.
9 to 7. Oh, we got upgraded. Ooh, we will see the deluxe room.
What time is stay outside?
Yeah.
Waiting for room?
Yeah, we wait for a room like for more than an hour now. So,
they back to back.
It's like an hour only.
Good for room now. For room very nice. The view is very nice.
Oh, really? That's good. It's near to the beach?
Sorry?
It's near to the beach,
Yeah.
our room?
Yeah,
Wow, okay, then
the pool also in the...
then I can say the wait is
Yeah, I
worth.
can't wait, no problem.
Yeah.
how long is this been open?
1 year, 9 months.
Almost 2 years.
It's like the Al Masiyaf.
It's
No?
always busy now, yeah?
Yeah.
Even the summer busy.
Now see, the villa all full.
All
For day back to back. Also, maximum also busy. In the morning, they all almost busy.
The guests,
Till tomorrow, after tomorrow weekend.
local
Weekend,
guests or this one different places?
International.
Go inside. No?
4367. Oh! Oh! We're so lucky.
You're sleeping in a small bed. You cannot occupy everything.
Just for a day, ah.
Wow, this is very nice.
Now, can't wait or can we go very fast?
Can wait, no? It's worth the wait. Wow.
What I like is the bathtub. Bathtub is so nice.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, okay. It's beach view. Wow. My lounge.
Oh, the car is waiting outside. Yeah. Car is waiting outside.
Yeah, you're on the water, yeah.
It's part of the hotel? Yeah. Cooking spice spoons by Anantara. So parang cooking lesson. I think complimentary ito.
Anong sabi dyan?
Ano siya? Signature cooking class in immersion in authentic flavors of Thailand. Learn how to make your favorite dishes. So, take advantage para matuto tayo, magluto.
Yeah.
Then meron silang ano.
Ayan na, yes! Ayan na yung luggage. Yay! Ayan na.
You're back.
Thank you so much. Hello, hello! Mag-room tour nga pala kami ni Rai. So, ito yung room namin dito sa Anantara Mina Al Arab Ras Al Khaimah. So, pagpasok mo, ito may automatic control siya. Then, dire-diretso dito. Then, sa right, nandito yung bathroom. Ang laki ng bathroom kasi na-upgrade nga pala kami. Suite to actually. 1 bedroom suite. So, may salamin siya dito. Ayan. Then, may bottle of water na. Then, may lotion, hand soap, may natural soap pa sila. Ang ganda ng amenities nila dito. Tapos nandito yung mga paper sanitary bag, vanity kit. Kompleto sila dito. Ayan, may dental kit din, tsaka may suklay. So, hindi mo na kailangan magdala. At may salamin din sila. Then, may saksakan talaga siya na for shavers only. Then, dito sa right, nandito yung bathroom. Ayan, may shower sila dito. May pa-shower sa taas. Rain shower. Tsaka yung handheld shower. Tapos, ito kompleto na din sila dito. May shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. Then, may lufa na din. Ayan. First time namin dito. So, super excited kami. Matry yung facilities nila. And ito, napakalaking bathtub. So, para kang ilalaga sa laki ng bathtub. Ayan. Then, dito sa right area, nandito naman yung WC. Ayan. So, may phone, may tissue, and bidet. May bidet sila dito. Then, dito, more salamin. I think ito more on sa, I think, kasi dalawang ganito. So, for your partner and for yourself, or either, bahala ka kung saan mo gusto na side, kung anong part nito yung gusto mong gamitin, kung yung other side na yon or ito. It's up to you. And may pa bathroom na din pala sila. So, labas tayo. So, pagkalabas mo ng CR, ito, headboard to ng bed. Tapos, pag dediretso ka dito, banda, nandito yung mga minibar items nila. So, ayan, may ice bucket, may water, libre na yung water na yan. And ito yung minibar fridge nila. So, ito namang mga minibar fridge na to, syempre, kailangan mo itong bayaran. So, once consumed. So, when you check out, i-check nila yan. Then, ito, may mga na din sila dito, cup and saucer. Tapos, dito, ayan, part pa to ng minibar fridge. So, nandyan yung price list niya, if in case. Ayan, yan yung price list ng minibar items. And ito, mga baso lang to. So, pwede mong gamitin yan. And ito, drawer. And dito pala sa part na to, ito yung pinakagusto ko kasi may coffee machine siya. And then, provided na din yung mga coffee and tea. Libre din yan. So, pwede kayong umorder ulit or magpa-deliver ulit once naubos nyo yan. Then, dito sa side na to, ito yung lounging area. So, may sofa. Then, ito, maganda kasi may mga saksakan na din sila dyan. Mag-charge kayo ng phone. Tapos ito, may sofa dito. I think sofa bed din siya. Yeah. Sofa bed din siya. Ayan. So, if in case, 2 adults and 2 children, I think pwede dyan, yung 2 bata. Then, ayan yung design niya. Ayan yung painting niya. Then, may TV. Then, ito yung kama. So, yung kama is facing siya dun sa labas, sa view. Ocean view kasi kami. So, ayan. Kung nakikita nyo naman, yung view is napakaganda. So, excited na talaga ako lumabas at i-enjoy yung facility. Eto, may upuan din dito. Ayan, may 2 chair. Eto, lounging area. Sa gabi siguro maganda magtambay-tambay dyan, lalo na kapag mas malamig-lamig na yung panahon. So, ngayon summer pa. So, as you can see guys, ayan yung beach. Napakaganda, di ba? So, konting lakad-lakad lang namin. Nasa beach na kami. So, ayun lang guys. See you ulit bukas. Bye! Ang ganda-ganda talaga ng view. Let's go. Saan tayo?
Pool bar. Pool bar?
Pool muna. Magpo-pool kami.
Curious na kami sa pool.
So, tingnan nyo yung aming hotel. Ayun si Rai, balikan ko lang. Baka mawala. Nag-ano pala siya. Nag-video din. So, ayun, mauna na ako. Sabi kanina nung concierge namin, nasa Anantara Ras Al Khaimah nga pala kami. Oh, ang ganda ng swimming pool nila. Baka nasabihan ka.
Wala naman.
Hello, good morning! Magbe-breakfast kami ni Rai. Alas 10 na ng umaga. And hanggang 11 lang yung breakfast. So naglalakad na kami papuntang restaurant. Pero sobrang init. Naglalakad lang kami ngayon. Pwede naman mag-buggy. Pero, ayan, mano ba naman yung konting lakad lang para ma-exercise tayo ng konti lang. Kasi ipakita ko lang sa inyo yung aming dinadaanan. Ayan. Ito yung dinadaan namin. Yung lalakarin namin papuntang breakfast restaurant papunta doon sa main lobby. Ayan. Ayan yung main lobby na yun. Yun. Anong kinukuha mo? Hello. Saan tayo pupunta?
Spa. Yung spa.
Check lang muna namin yung spa.
Wait lang siya.
Hello.